Well, friends, it's 6 o'clock in the evening. Let's try out our tent.
Now we'll try out the floor, then we'll make a fire, and then, as they say, we'll see how it goes.
Drunya, stop peeing on everything. You've peed all over the island. How do you even have that much liquid in you? I just don't get it. What's up with you? Piss boy!
Alright, your favorite activity, tasting the heated floor. Here we go.
All right. Oh, just in time, friends. Go on, go on, go on. Yeah, get out of here. Join. Every time it's the same damn thing with you. Go. Go. Get out, you little shit. There. Go. Okay. Well, Driunia. Okay. Where will our entrance be? Go. Our entrance will be here.
Then our campfire will be here, right?
That's right.
Or
we kick Driunia out.
to hell.
All right, let's go. Whoa! Well, Driunia, now retribution awaits you.
Wow.
Wait, I haven't finished the house and you're already coming in. Oh! All right. Our tent is a Barracuda mini.
Yeah, that's right.
We'll need to make the campfire somewhere else, but it's not a big deal. So where's the entrance? Where's the entrance? Oh! Yeah, that's right. That's it, friends, and that's a wrap. That's a wrap. Rahat and banlukum. Oh! And what's wrong? It's stuck! Ah! It won't work! Yo, yo! Oh! Oh! Drunya! That was tough! Okay. Okay, so here we have our tent. Woohoo! So here we have our little tent. Now we'll set it up properly. Right, Driundel? It's very important to set up the tent properly so the stove works. Well, oh. Awesome! That'll do! Here's the campfire, and here we'll put a seat. And we can light it up! All right! Let's do it right away. Druhnya, these are Siberian jays. This view isn't interesting to us. You don't have to work it off. So, what's up? Welcome to our humble abode, okay?
Friends, 3 Siberian jays have arrived, and Driunya wants to eat them.
Driunya, those are Siberian jays. Don't touch them. They're our friends.
Useless birds!
Heh.
Is that all?
Even the Siberian jays tricked you, G's. Siberian jays, leave Driunya alone. He doesn't know that you taste bad. All right, let's bring in the stove.
The stove is very important in the tent because, well, depending on how you set up the tent, that's how well your stove will work. Maybe I'm not saying it quite right, but let's see. Although I do have those sleeping bags, we could have squeezed into the sleeping bags, but, and by the way, I also have a Webasto heater.
But
So, I have a little stove. Oh, it's so tiny, eh?
So, that's it, friends. I did it.
Look, you can see from here how everything is organized. Stove, folding bed, and that's about it. And look at the view.
Well, friends, now we're chopping some firewood.
We're lighting the stove, though we don't really need to since it's warm. As you can see, I'm wearing a sweater, but still, we can do it, you know? To dry off and so on, we still need it anyway. That's it. The wood is a bit dry. Now we'll chop some firewood and cook some fish soup.
all right, that's all.
Now we just need to split this in half, just to throw it in.
Alright, that's enough firewood for now.
Now we'll definitely heat up the stove. And then we'll just relax and enjoy ourselves.
not winter right now.
Of course, I always feel this way when there's a stove and a solid tent, you know? Well, getting ready for the overnight stay. Because there were times when I went to bed at -4 and woke up when it was -25. By the way, you've probably seen this video. And there were moments like that even without the video. Somehow, I like it when I just feel calmer inside when there's firewood. Dryan, where are you? Dryundia.
Dryunja, where are you? Where did our Dryunya disappear to anyway? Dryundilda?
Ah! Okay.
And now our stove is heating up.
We'll close it now, and it'll really start heating up. There. Alright, now it'll heat things up for us, we'll dry off, and so on and so forth. Friends, the campfire's already going.
So what now?
We did this, we did that.
For now, we turn off the lights.
Drunya!
Drun, here!
Go to the tent! Go sit there. So, friends, well, let's go check out the pikes. How are our pike doing?
Let's see how our pike are doing now.
We'll clean one. Make a small pot of fish soup. Fish soup? Yeah, fish soup. Damn. Just for me.
Alright, look, here are the results of the first day.
No way! Honestly, I've never fished like this before. Honestly, I've never fished this way before.
I haven't caught anything yet. Well, okay, this one will go into the fish soup.
Well, let's take a look. Alright, friends, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 22 pikes today, friends, on the set line.
On tip-ups and on the set line.
This isn't bragging. I'm just showing how you can go fishing. This is how my fishing trip turned out. Sometimes the fishing is a bust, and sometimes it turns out like this. Now I'll put it in the bag, hide it here. Oh, how beautiful. Damn.
I'll hide it in the snow because we still have more fishing to do.
And we'll fish again tonight. Well, that's how it is. We'll clean and fry these, and we'll take the roe from these and dry it. My kids really love fish patties, but I think it's cool, guys. What do you think? Are these decent pikes? Decent. I think they're decent. No showing off, nothing fancy. I caught what I could.
What I couldn't catch, I didn't catch. These two are about 2.5 kilos each.
Like this. Not very big. I wish they were 11. The main thing, look, it's like this, right?
And this one is like this. Interesting.
Let's go! Phew, that's it. Let's clean the fish.
And let's cook fish soup.
Well, friends, these are kind of like little plates. But it's okay, I'm used to it, and you'll get used to it too. So, here is pike caviar, and now we'll peel a potato. Now people will start again. Is it soup or not soup? The main thing is I need to eat. To be continued. I'm peeling the potatoes thinly because when I was a kid, my parents used to scold me for that.
For taking off too much peel. Well, basically, they taught me that you have to appreciate things.
By the way, in Karelia, we value potatoes more than bread because, well, we grow potatoes, but we don't grow bread. So, with potatoes, we... Well, anyway, that's just my opinion. Otherwise, there will be arguments again, or maybe not. Look at this one. I'll peel it later. I have a small pot. I'll make it just in case. And then we'll see, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll cook the pike on a spit. Here, I have a small one.
And we'll make fish soup. It's going to be really great.
Alright, friends, let's fill the pot up just like this.
And we take it over. Just like that. That's it. That's the kind of dish I'm going to have. Oh, man. A feast. Fiofan style.
Alright, we'll take this too, and we'll take this. Oh, I've wanted to live like this for so long. What a view! Our tip-up has gone off again over there, I see.
Awesome! This isn't life, it's a fairy tale dam.
Alright, let's put this here for now.
We'll put this here. We'll carry everything in now.
Okay.
Oh!
Oops.
And you're over there! So we need to come up with some kind of spit, right? We'll come up with something now. Oh, there's one lying around right here.
Here you go, friends. We'll have a spit like this, a powerful one.
All right, that's how we're going to do it.
That's right.
That's how it should be, sort of. Just like that.
That's it, friends. Now let's add some salt and throw in the fish.
We'll throw in the fish.
Drunya, learn to cook fish soup.
You don't know how to make fish soup, damn it.
You don't know how to cook fish soup, damn it!
Yeah, add some salt. All right, we'll salt all of this too. All right, let's put the fish in.
I probably poured too much water, but oh well.
It's no big deal. It's just a pike. We'll get it out now.
All right. The pike. They threw in the pike's head. The pike's tail. Why is everything happening at the campfire today? They threw in the pike's tail. Okay, then we'll add potatoes and onions. Friends, I love onions. You might say, like, this isn't fish soup, it's just some kind of soup. Someone says something like that. But I want to cook fish soup the way my grandfather did, the way my father does. That's why. There are some common traditions and there are family ones. I'm more in favor of family ones. How do I know how others cook it, right? Oh! Cool. Okay, we'll eat this. And we'll make something with this. Ooh. Oops. All right, we'll come up with something. We'll have it.
3 burner.
Oops. Oh. Okay. That's all, right? What else? This? I just need to make the spit. That's it. Let it cook for now. Once the fish is cooked, we take it out. Once it boils, we add it. So what do we have? Pepper, dill? We don't have much. We don't have much, right? Drion. We don't have much. That's right. Pike, you say on a spit, right? We'll do it now, don't worry. The main thing is, don't be afraid. All right. We'll have it on the spit. All right, let's get the fish out. Let's get the fish out. Let's get it out. The fish. What's up? Where is it? Pike's head heat, July, right. Pike's tail. All right, now we add the potatoes. There! That's it. Potatoes, onions. Bay leaf, red price. Hey, where's the pepper? It's a shame, friends. There's no pepper, but I have some in another container, so we'll sort it out, don't worry. So now what?
So it turns out our fire has gotten smaller. Whoa. Oh, nice.
All right.
All right, let it cook. Now the pike on the spit.
All right, let's put our pike on. Oh, now we're talking. All right, it's 7 o'clock now, almost 8. At 9, we'll go check. We'll have time to eat. And then we'll head out. I see that one of the tip-ups has already gone off over there, but I'm not going to run after each one. That's enough! We've already seen everything today. Now it'll start cooking. Well, friends, it's simple. The simple cuisine of a fisherman. Delicious. It's time. It's time to try our fish soup. Everything is ready. Ah, guys, all the fish soup spilled.
What the klutz?
Damn, guys, all the fish soup spilled.
Guys, all the fish soup spilled! all the fish soup spilled. Damn! I still have fish on the spit. Here, look! There's still pike on the spit. Let's eat.
Damn, there was roe in there.
Sometimes that happens, my friends. Good thing we grilled the pike on a spit. Of course. How I wanted some fish soup. Enjoy your meal. All right, friends. Well, no fish soup, then no fish soup. Loser, that's fate. But I'll eat this one now and it'll be fine. Tasty. Druindilda. Are you okay? Druin, where are you? Coming, coming! What's up with you? All right, that's enough sitting around. We set up the tent, shut down the stove, and now we'll go do the inspection. We cooled down the shuck. We'll need to cover it with more snow later. It doesn't seem to be freezing. Stop! Alright, let's drive carefully now. The most important thing is to drive carefully along the route you took before. That's the main thing. Alright, let's go! Let's go and see what we have here. Alright, let's go! Well, what do we have here? There's something! Whoa! Oh! Easy, 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 easy. Let's let it go. Let's let it go! Don't move! Ah, damn, it swallowed it! Woohoo! Guys, it swallowed it all the way down. That's it! Can't save it!
All right, let's dry it. We've got someone here.
Here's the second one already.
Whoa! It's small, but it's a good one.
Oh my god!
Why me? Another big fish. Well, friends, that's what I caught this evening.
GoPro, stop recording.
That's good, friends, but everything in moderation. We have a lot of pikes here.
It's not that I'm not happy, it's just an indecent amount.
Thank God there isn't any.
GoPro, stop recording!
Guys, how much more of this can we take, huh? How much more of this can we take, huh?
I don't deserve this much fish!
Guys, the flag didn't pop up here, but there's a bite. The line's running, and we've got something on the hook.
Another one! So, guys, I don't know what I did wrong, or maybe what I did right to deserve this, but look, here's the evening check. Look how many pikes. These are all from tip-ups, guys. Tip-ups, automatic fishing rigs. This is probably the biggest one of the whole fishing trip. This one right here. Now I need to grab a second bag and pack it in there. That's it, friends. The campfire is out. I don't have the strength to haul these pikes anymore. What do we have here? Oh, we've got the governor here, damn! Well, Driunia, you're a good man. You were stoking the stove, right? Good job!